Yo, look at this fireworks show. You probably can't see me because it's like dark. Wait, what's that? Oh, there's sand on that.
Your camera sucks.
Whoa! Now that's loud. I'm gonna Google whoever invented fireworks. I'm just gonna thank them so much.
Bro, like, oh my god, they about to be trying to get out them parking lots. They're gonna be sick. I have you kind of happy we did parking lots.
Whoa, yo.
You said what?
Oh my life. Where have you been all my life? I. No.
It was to get down here. Y'all definitely are annoying. Right, because we got a good spot.
Whoa. Wait, imagine one of the fireworks missed like a picture.
I wish it did. This ain't no Disney harm. Remember how we went to Orlando and they had the water show? And it had all the characters in the water.
Yeah, cause like they use like a screen projector.
Yeah.
Wait, was there any fireworks at?
I think
Wait, was that Disney World or Universal?
That was Universal.
No, but like, was there like any fireworks that like made pictures?
They do we didn't get to see the fireworks at when we went to the actual Disney World. Remember, we didn't stay until nighttime.
Wait, so at Disney
They do like a fireworks show. I think they have like, I think they try to do like faces or like Mickey and stuff like that. I think.
Oh yeah, I think I can like imagine it like fireworks just going off, and then you just see like a face of like the of like, you know, the balloon, the balloon, you know, the balloon, and it has like that, and it has like Mickey Mouse face.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I can imagine. Man, we probably so far. Are they so loud? The sound.
Sound will travel, so it gets to us a little later.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was nice. Oh, bro, imagine being that close and thinking that shit about to touch you or something. Like, you wanna walk on? You said what? Why you talking about going closer?
Oh look, another plane. No, but I think it like made a picture of like a planet.
Really?
With like
planet?
No, but did you see that? It made like a I think it made like a picture of like a green planet with like a ring around it. I saw it, and I definitely know that was a picture. Oh, there's another one going over there, but it's not one shit. Ah!
I see.
Oh, double firework alert! Double fireworks. Caught in 4K.
Harmony, your phone is not 4K. Your camera is so dirty.
That's exactly what you get. Look at that place. Rotty dotty da, I'm gonna bore you. Hey! Oh. No, that was like my favorite. Like when there's like there was like that one thing that turns into many other like things, like that.
They're like a star a little bit.
Yeah, see that? Well, technically I did it, so I'm just gonna play it back on the camera, which is so boring and dirty. blurry and dirty and musty and dusty and rusty. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Oh, it actually looks better. I also like how the like things just like fall down. The big fireworks show.
Huh? You recorded so long. Like, for the whole show?
I've been recording this for like 5 minutes and it hasn't said anything yet.
Because we got TV storage.
No,
Yeah, just
mostly
record.
it would say
So I shared it with her.
wait, so that's why
Got more storage now.
like the other day I was about to go on photos and I only had like two photos and then next
All
thing
of your stuff started loading up, right?
like all my Roblox all my Roblox pictures I took just started coming up. So then I thought it was just like a glitch.
No, I bought it for storage.
Oh.
So what?
Whoa, pretty. I bet everybody's jealous right now. What do you? I don't know I don't know my school. I don't know. Oh, no, that was satisfying.
With the rain sound, right?
Yeah, it sounded like rain. I hope they do that again. That was actually cool. Oh, did you see? Now, did you see that? It made like a green planet with a ring around it. I saw it. Maybe it's gonna show up again.
We still gotta do our fireworks. We're gonna do that.
I'll share. I mean, maybe when maybe like when we get back to the car, we could like set up the firework like right there. Cause I'm not going all the way home, driving 2 hours just to set up our fireworks.
No, you probably do it another day, huh?
Wait, why not? Wait, what?
You can't do it out there. You gotta do it. Everybody's doing it on the beach. You can't do it out.
Did you see that? It tried to make a picture.
It's like a heart.
Kinda. I like the lights. Like I want to see if there's any fireworks that I can buy that makes like pictures that you can recognize.
Bro, I don't know if they get closer.
It does. And getting higher. Oh, satisfying work. There's crowd as crap over there. Yup, that would definitely be difficult. Those people that are on the thing that shoots up in the air, they're probably recording they're recording the fireworks. What do you mean you doubt it?
Going that far up in the air, bells like that, they might drop their phones.
Oh yeah, you're right. cold?
Yep, we ready to start walking.
Cold.
We ready to start walking back to the car?
I'm gonna record the whole fireworks show first.
Harmony, I don't know how long this show is for, but we're not staying here for the whole show. We can go watch the rest of it in the car.
Mommy, I'm thinking maybe all the fireworks that we heard but didn't see what was coming from here. Cause they just too loud. Cause they just so loud. Was that supposed to be like a UFO or something? Ring. That's a ring. Wait a minute. I thought the fireworks just made a picture of a deer or something. I don't know. Was that a dolphin? I think. Oh yeah, they made a picture of a dolphin. If any of y'all didn't see that. Man, it's been 11 minutes. Whoa! No. It made another planet. I saw that. Huh? No! You didn't see that? I do not have an imagine. I did not imaginate that. No, but seriously. I didn't imagine that, but there was a green planet. There was like a green ball with a ring around it. I saw it. Y'all probably didn't see it.
That was right at it. Did you see it, Odell?
I'm not imagining. Alright, then look close, cause. Alright, maybe it's gonna show up again.
Oh, that was nice. Oh, I wish I could have got that on camera. That was nice. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah, don't worry, I'll send it to you. Remember the last 4th of July? They was sending out that they was doing that fireworks show like over there on Oh, hallelujah.
That was nice.
Definitely.
Right, because I'm thinking they're just going to keep doing the slow stuff.
Now they gonna attack.
That was awesome. Was that the end? That was a good ending.
Oh, yay! It's 10. Wait.
That was good.
Okay, good. I hope you enjoyed that fireworks show. Ouch! I'm so sorry. Oh, I can't stand up. I can't stand up.
Oh, with my foot.
I'm sorry. Alright guys, so that was the end of the fireworks show, like I said. So we hope you enjoyed it. I have some of it on camera, but it was like a part before, because I did like with the front camera, because you know, like because I'm doing the front camera because the back camera was messy, but then I had to like start recording.
Get out the way.